Hello. So basically, I have updated our setup used for the early warning system. Here we are using three more sensors. This is the capacitive soil moisture sensor. This is the resistive soil moisture sensor, and this is the tilt sensor. Here, this one is the tilt sensor. You see. So and in addition to that, I have also included this relay. What this relay does is like whenever our same 808 modules fail to send the data, it will increment a count, like increase by 1, and whenever it reaches 10, it will just restart whole sim 808 module. So this is how it goes, and this is 3 power cable. So basically the relay is just intercepting the like positive wire of this sim 808. Like this is powered through this cable, and we are just intercepting its connection. And it is normally I think it was normally closed, so the circuit is normally closed. That means it is normally complete, like the wire are touched in normal state. And whenever we just activate it, like in case of 10 failures, we will uh, open the circuit for about a second. uh, for capacitive moisture sensor, basically this just generates a 3 volt between these two, and this act as a capacitor. And like it will, like when we put it in soil, it will lose some of its voltage, and the voltage drop is through how we know like how much we have like water in the soil. So basically high voltage drop, that means uh, heavy moisture content, and heavy moisture content, that means like the electrons are flowing out in very rapid manner. In similar, like in different way, this resistive soil moisture sensor works. Basically we calculate the resistance between these two terminals. So this is how resistive soil moisture sensor work. Basically same, we are calculating the voltage here, but the concept is same, like through voltage, like we are calculating. Okay, uh, above a certain level, if say the soil is too dry, then the electrons flow will be low, and so the resistance will be high. And when the soil is humid or soil is wet, then the electrons can easily flow and the resistance will be low, and thus the voltage thus the current can flow between these two terminals. All right, and this is a tilt sensor. Okay, just wait a minute, I think. So this is the tilt sensor. It is somewhere. Okay, somewhere it is loose. So this is a tilt sensor. Basically how it works is like whenever we tilt it, it will complete the circuit. There is a small ball in this, so when we tilt it, it goes down in one direction, and when we tilt to other direction, it will like move to the other direction. Like you can like listen its voice, if you can hear it. Yes, I think you can hear it. So I think it the connection is loose somewhere, so that's why it is like the relay is going on and off. We can check on that later. But so let me explain the circuit. Like this has three terminals, like three wires. As you can see, like I have taped it, but there is GCC and GND and VCC it is connected here, like let me show you through wires. It is going here, and I think it is purple and white, so it is connected here. I have connected like all the ground and VCC here only to make it common. So for all the sensors, ground and VCC is connected here only, like here. White is for like VCC and black is for ground. I will share the circuit diagram later. Now about the analog pin. So this is the analog, like yellow one is the analog pin, and here we have blue, and we are passing the blue here. So if you see, the analog is for like A4, right? No, it is A3. So like as you can see in the code, we have no, I think it is A4, certainly it is A4. So the analog pin of capacitive soil moisture sensor in the code and in the like socket is A4, so you have to connect to the A4. Like we don't have much analog pins left, so keep that in mind. Like connect to the correct analog pin. Similarly, for this resistive moisture sensor, resistive soil moisture sensor, this also has 3 terminals, one for ground, one for VCC, and you can see like for now it has 4, but we will be using 3. Why? Because like 2 are for ground and VCC. One is for data pin and one is for analog pin. We won't be using analog pin because we have only 7 of them, but we have around like what was that, around 10 to 12, 13 data pins. So it's better to use that pin. It will help us in the long run. So if you can see, like let me show you, the brown is the data one, and here no, I think we are using the analog sensor. So we have connected it to the analog sensor, so we will be using analog. Like here, this one, as you can see, this white one is the analog. All right, this one. So it is connected to A0. Okay, so like you have to connect the resistive soil moisture sensor analogs pin to the A0 of the Arduino. Alright, now talking about the tilt sensor, this will be connected to the, like this will require 3 data pin, like 3 pins to connect. One is for like, let me show, one is for VCC, one is for ground, and one is for data output. Data output pin is connected to the yellow to blue, and blue is getting connected to, it is connected to I think D3. So keep that in mind, like the D3 is for taking input of the tilt sensor's value. Like if this light is glowing, then the tilt have some value, and if it is not, then it is has other value. Like it will give 0 and 1 based on the like tilt of the sensor. Now for this relay, like this also requires VCC and ground. Other than that, it will require one data pin. So basically its data pin is number 5, like D5. So like let me show you, this is the data pin of the VCC. So this requires an always on current to for the current to pass. So basically we are passing like high all the time in the relay, and through that like it is sending the current, sending the current from here to here, and since it is high all the time, so like it is passing the current to the like our GSM module. That's all for this. And we have other sensors like this is the pH sensor, this is the turbidity sensor, this one where this one is the TDS sensor, this is our temperature and humidity sensor, this one. So we have other sensors also, and like this LED is for like if the data is successfully sent, it will blink for a very short time, and if it blinks for about a second, then the data was not sent successfully. This is for just for like letting us know that was the data sent successfully or not. That's all for this video.